Welcome to Coastal Life Made Easy. My journey with keto taught me quite a few things. So, if you are fat adapted, this recipe is for you. If you are dairy intolerant, this recipe is definitely not for you. So, if you can, come and join me and we will make this recipe together. 30 milliliters of olive oil in a medium heated skillet, 1 medium chopped onion, and fry until translucent. 600 grams of ground beef, pork, chicken, anything you wish to use. Brown it and add 125 milliliters of passata or 30 milliliters of tomato paste. Heat it through and then see that it cooks down a bit, so there's not a lot of liquid. Add half a medium red or yellow sweet pepper chopped. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well and turn off the heat. On a separate burner, bring your cup of cream to a boil on slow, very slow. It can easily boil over. Add half a cup of cream cheese or cultured cream in my case and mix it well whilst it's still boiling. Leave it on slow so it can thicken and reduce a little bit. Once it gets to this bubbly stage, you're pretty much done and you can turn off the heat. Time to assemble our dish. First, a thin layer of ground meat. Layer with 6 slices of ham and then top up with some ground meat and half of your cream cheese sauce. Then layer again with 6 slices of beef pastrami, chicken or turkey, ground meat on top of that again, then the other half of your cheese sauce and top with your cup of shredded cheese, then into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius until you've got a bubbly cheese topping with a little bit of brown spots on, and voila, you're done. Enjoy and thank you for watching.